Let's get your skills into Go SiteReady. Think of skills as your library to hold all the quals, competencies, and attainments that you will hold against people, equipment, and companies. Let's hit the download template button. Now your Excel spreadsheet's open, start entering that data. Some of the columns have drop-down options. Once complete, head on back to the onboarding page. Righto, we're going to hit the next button and drop and drag our Excel file. Any issues, it'll be flagged here and it will tell you the Excel line to go back and fix up. If there's no issues, click Next. Select Start Import. All your skills that you've just imported can be found down here in the Skills page.